guys, new earning platform 7mind review 2022. How to make money online for students in 2022. 7mind. What is 7mind website now? 7mind. Sorry. 7mind website. Why this is not? 7mind.org. Cloud mining review. 7mind.org. Legit or scam? Legit or scam? In this video, we will discuss about all information about this website. 7mind.org cloud mining review. Is 7mind legit or scam? Earning working online is a global desire. Many people, especially those who work in the IT sector, are working from home. About 7mind.org. When it involves cryptocurrencies, mining is not about tunneling into the bottom and hauling out, or it's actually computerized. What is cloud mining? Cloud mining operation mining farms. Seven Mind website, 7mind.org review. Scam or not? Earn money free TRX, free TRX on 7mind.com. Earn mine free TRX new site today. TRX mining today. TRX mining. Make money online through this website. TRX mining today. TRX mining make money online. Best crypto exchanges. 7mind.org. 7mind website is legit or scam? This website is a scam, not legit. I say this website is scam, totally scam. Don't trust on this website. This website is 100% fake. I have यूज़ होप यू अंडरस्टैंड लाइक और वीडियो सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिएगा। तो जल्दी सब्सक्राइब कर दो, नहीं तो कुछ नहीं, हम क्या कर सकते हैं आपका। सब्सक्राइब।